Hello and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to set up passwords on your iPad. You can store all the passwords you need for apps and websites here. First, we go to the Password app on the iPad. It will ask you to create a passcode for the Password app. Once in, locate the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select it. Now we can put our username and password that we will use at Seaview High School. Let's label it as Seaview High School. Enter your username and password. In the Notes section, we can also save our email address, so it's all located in the same spot. Press Save when finished. With our password now saved, let's go to the EdPass portal to try it out. When EdPass opens up, click on Username and a key should appear at the top of your keyboard. It will prompt you to enter your passcode for the Password app. Then select the password we labeled as Seaview High School. Pick one of the options that say Use. Go next and repeat the same step. Select Verify, and if all those steps were followed correctly, then you should be in the EdPass portal. Thank you for listening to Seaview Tech Tips.